Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week we are air frying a cinnamon sugar cream cheese bagel thing. Let's see. Alright, so this recipe comes from TikTok, like a lot of air fryer recipes do, because TikTok is obsessed with air fryers, and it comes from the creator, What's Mom Cooking? This is a very simple recipe. Basically, you have a bagel, you have some cinnamon sugar. This is about equal parts cinnamon and sugar, just mixed up in a little container. You have some cream cheese, and you have some honey. So first things first, what we're gonna do is take a bagel and cut it in half. Just like so. If you have a bread knife, that's probably preferable, but I could not find mine, so chef's knife it is. Just cut it in half, and then what you do, really simple, get a big smear of cream cheese on there. Now do as much or as little as you like. I just have plain Philadelphia cream cheese. It's not a product placement, it's just the brand they had at the store. I don't have any flavor or anything because this is gonna be a pretty sweet bagel. Now I typically prefer your savory style. I love like a real New York bagel with scallion cream cheese. To me, that's perfect. But this is gonna be like a dessert bagel. So if you're a sweet person, maybe this is for you. Because cream cheese is already pretty sweet. And then we're gonna add cinnamon and sugar to it. And then we're gonna add honey. So it's sweet on top of sweet on top of sweet. All right. We have cream cheese bagel. Real easy. Now, we take cinnamon sugar and we put a nice coating on each side. We'll get you a close up here. It's just cream cheese with cinnamon and sugar. All right, that's it. We're gonna put it in the air fryer for 400 degrees at 5 minutes. That's the recipe from What's Mom Cooking on TikTok. And then once that's done, we're gonna put some honey on it because why not? Let's make this thing even sweeter. And then it's time to chow down. But yeah, we're gonna cook the cream cheese, we're gonna cook the bagel, and we're gonna cook the cinnamon sugar. Kind of strange, but let's see how it goes. 400 degrees, 5 minutes. Okay, so our sugar, cream cheese, cinnamon bagel is ready. Now I actually ended up only air frying it for about 3 minutes. I think my air fryer might be a little bit more powerful than other brands. Just keep an eye on it. It looked thoroughly cooked and I didn't want to burn the bread. So here we have it. Give you a little look-see here. Got a little bit crunchy exterior. The cream cheese has a little bit of like char to it almost now. So the next step, really easy stuff. We're gonna take this bagel that's covered in cream cheese and cinnamon sugar, and we're gonna make it even sweeter with some honey. This is just normal honey, and just a little drizzle will do ya. Should be good. All right, I'm gonna let this sit for a second because I'm sure it is piping hot coming out of the air fryer, and then we'll give it a taste test and see how it is. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. It is time to taste test our cinnamon sugar honey bagel. Now, if you look, it's still pretty hot. It's kind of brown on the edges, and underneath, it's really hardened. You can hear that. It's definitely toasted through. The honey has sort of gotten melty because of the heat of everything else. Let's give it a big bite. It's not bad. It sort of has a cinnamon roll vibe with way more crunch. The honey really takes the sweetness probably a little too far for me. But yeah, it's pretty cinnamon rolly. It's nice and crunchy. It's got good texture. Yeah, I mean, if you're a fan of sweet breakfast, this is a really simple recipe, so maybe you should give it a try. I'm not. I'm typically like a more egg-based, savory breakfast, so probably won't hit my rotation, but lots of people seem to like this. It has millions and millions of views on TikTok. Lizzo herself, the queen of TikTok, commented on it. So I'm sure it's a great recipe for a lot of people. Probably a little too sweet for me, not really my thing, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely like a fun, sweet breakfast if that's kind of your deal, or maybe it's your kid's deal, or, you know, yeah. Not for me, but might be for you. Who knows?